fine, Kabir.
Bhushan is amazing cameraman, कमाल का कैमरामैन है, बहुत अच्छा, और वो खुद एक कलाकार है, बहुत अच्छी वो गिटार बजा लेता है, वहाँ लाइटिंग चल रही है, वो अपना बजाते रहता था.
Bhushan Kriplani, I've worked with him in the past as well. A young cinematographer who's willing to experiment, and no nonsense man who would normally come prepared to the sets, finish his work.
जब Bhushan came on board as a cameraman, he came in with his sensibilities, and I accepted his intelligence, which was also important to the film. He has made some very pertinent suggestions which we've used in terms of the script and in terms of executing it also.
When we started off filming, Bhushan was a little strict, but then slowly I, like when you say you crack the nut, that is what happened with me and Bhushan, and slowly and steadily we got very close as friends, and I think he's done a phenomenal job.
He's used a different kind of lighting for each couple. So with us, he's kept it a little more vibrant and more, outdoors and more sun. With Sunil and Vidya's couple, he's kept it a little more rustic, more earthy tones. With Nana sir and Nipmal, it's a little more yellowish kind of tinge to their characters. So you can very categorically say that there are different couples in different age groups with different kind of setups and backgrounds.
Well, I think production is as good as the producer, so that just gives it all. I think we had a fabulous production in place because of Mr. Nikhil Panchamiya.
Very soft and an absolute gentleman. So there was no chillam chali, as they say, on the sets, and abusing on the sets, and pressure on the director to complete the scene by this time or finish that by that time. So I think a very beautiful atmosphere to work in.
I have known Nikhil now for quite a few years. When I talk about Nikhil as a producer, उनके instructions बहुत simple रहते थे कि कबीर, what you feel correct for the film is what you should do. I'm so glad through this whole journey I have been held together by a friend and a person who I respect and look up to, and I wish him all the success and all the luck, because he believed in what he was making, and that gives me the hope and reason for me to smile today and say that we are so proud that we made Tum Milo To Say.
To make a good film, it's not just an actor or a director, it's every member of the unit. Even from a sport boy who comes and gives you a glass of water when you're tired is equally and very, very important.
Entire unit in terms of, Nitin Dara and Pooja, who's done our clothes, and everybody has been just like a whole nice little family unit happening. And
it was a very pleasant, fun, and a very exciting experience.